5-star resort with endless privileges. And with Kaylee's here, who's my associate sales director for Zoetry, we are going to describe this room. And can you guess what room this is?
You guessed it. This is our junior suite swim out. Now, like, who does not want to stay in a suite that has this wonderful swim out? You can sit here just steps away from the Caribbean Sea, literally, and you can stay here. You can get your service from the pool bar. The concierges, the room attendants, they'll come and serve you right where you are, so you can sit and read. Look at this beautiful lounger that's on your balcony. Oh, Marie, I think we should just call it a day.
And it fits couples.
Yeah, perfect for 2 people. I guess you'll just stay here.
Yes. And a nice table and chair here if you wanted to order some room service, breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever you're interested in.
So it's private dining 24 hours, so you can order from the Crave menu that we have inside, or you can just speak to your concierge agent and they'll bring you whatever you want, because that's what we do here at Zoetry. Endless privileges, whatever you want, we give it to you. So here inside the room, the amenities are similar to what you would have seen in our Junior Suite Tropical View and the Ocean View Soaking Tub that we also saw before. So you'll have your beach bag. You see this wonderful 4-poster bed that's available. We also have the room amenities that, if you walk over here, are all sealed for you again. So it's all Bulgari amenities, everything here that you need. Then I have to come in because, again, wonderful rain shower, also beautiful for you.
And there's a great shelf in the shower.
Yes, you
with your bathroom amenities. And your rainforest shower head.
And again, we'd just like to point out the details of the different wooden elements that we have. So all our baskets, even the bin here, now this wonderful towel rack, all wooden again, in keeping with the Jamaican theme. All our buildings have names such as Wood and Water, Blue Mountain, Bamboo, that coincides with the Jamaica.
And of course they have the upgraded bathroom amenities in the sealed bag. We have our bathroom mirror, makeup mirror, and hair dryer and scale.
Now we do have Coca Cafe where you can always get your coffee and tea, but just in case you wanted to make your coffee, we do have a coffee maker inside. We do have your ice bucket. Again, you don't need to get it yourself, just call someone and we'll have it filled for you. We also include Jamaican banana chips in our room service menu, so if you need that, you can get it. And again, for minibar, you call us and we will stock this with whatever you want.
Our flat screen TV, the ceiling fans, full air conditioning in all the rooms, and all these extra amenities at this fabulous resort. TV channel, clicker, as well as air conditioner and fan. And of course, they're all in the sealed bag, so no one has to touch them until you check in. So when you are ready to book, we are going to, oh, we also have the closet.
Yeah.
Thank you for reminding me. And a full-length mirror.
So here we have the closet space. You have beautiful bathrobes, bed slippers. We have your umbrella as well, just in case there's liquid sunshine. And the other amenities such as your laundry. Again, once you stay with us, you get laundry complimentary.
And our full-length mirror. So, thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to A Premier Travels YouTube channel, and when you're ready to book Zoetry Montego Bay, you give us a call. Thank you.